Ist last, verb last.
Their father, their engineer is.
Okay, yes. See, I am writing on the screen.
Uh,
Relation while und vegan. So, what you said, okay, feel, feel Geld. He
yeah,
has lot of money.
money.
While sein Vater
Uh,
Ingenieur. Ingenieur ist.
is. But इसमें their days नहीं है.
Vegan. Now, when we use vegan, done.
Hmm. हाँ,
Feel Geld. Vegan. What can we change? Seines Vaters, because of his father. This can be one possibility. You have to find the possibility here.
okay.
Look at, you need to just think extra.
The father.
You need to think little extra because we need noun. Vater is noun.
Now, okay.
And their Vater change into des. Klar?
There.
So Zinus,
Yes.
Zinus, mine minus. Okay, think some other possibility. What you said about the winter one, that was also good sentence. Trots, and the relation is with obvol. Huh? Although this is the relation with trots and obvol. Despite and
Sir, I have,
can you see the screen? I am sharing.
yeah, yeah.
Yes. Sachin,
Yes, sir.
you said na this sentence trots. Who said? Ganesh, you said trots. Bus. Yeah. Please, can you repeat? I will mention
Yeah.
here.
Ich trinke kalt Wasser.
Ich trinke kaltes Wasser.
Trotz.
Trotz des Winters.
Yeah.
This is genitive. Zens, yeah. Der Winter, des. Okay.
Yeah.
Der into another form with obwohl. Ich trinke kaltes Wasser. With obwohl. Obwohl, although it is cold.
Yes.
So obwohl,
Yes.
yeah, kalt ist. Klar? Verb am Ende. Obwohl, Verb am Ende. Ist das klar? Sehen Sie jetzt.
So vegan and trotz will come as genitive plus genitive.
Genau. Vegan Trots Genitive. While und obwohl replacement. Yes, Sachin. Was sagen Sie?
Ich habe keinen Saal.
Warum? Bilden Sie einen Satz. Ja, Sie haben jetzt Idee. Sehen Sie hier?
Ja,
Oder,
ich habe bilden, but
okay.
aber das ist right.
Okay, ich schreibe hier. Sehen Sie bitte. Ich fahre Auto, obwohl ich keinen Führerschein
License.
ja,
Driving license.
obwohl ich keine Führerschein habe. Klar, verstanden? Sehen Sie bitte alle. Ich fahre Auto, obwohl ich keinen Führerschein habe. Klar? Although I have no license. What is the replacement? Obwohl replace with
Trotz.
Trots.
yes. How can we convert? Ich fahre. Can we convert this sentence? Let's see. Ich fahre Auto trotz des despite of. Trotz des Führerschein. Can we say despite of license? I am driving car. Is this correct?
No, in spite of.
It's a we need to make negative, na? Despite of
Yeah.
trotz des.
Despite of the driving license. Yeah.
Is it correct? Despite of.
Yeah, because तो नहीं है. We cannot use because.
So what do you think? Is this correct?
It's like ich fahre Auto trotz des Führerschein. Yeah, it's correct.
Despite trotz des Führerschein.
Despite the driving license.
Führerscheins. Despite the missing license. despite we need something na here, or is it correct? Is it correct, or we need to write something here?
Expired license.
Yeah, expired license. Very good. Huh? This can be correct. Now, otherwise it is not correct. I think. Think
Yeah.
little bit more, है ना? Because it's not meaningful, na? Uh, despite expired license. So what do we say? Expired. Despite das abgelaufenen. Abgelaufenen. Okay. This is our adjective, abgelaufen. Okay, expired. Abgelaufen, expired. Despite of expired license, huh? Means no license. If you are having expired license, it's like you are having nothing. Huh? It's like no license. Expire has no value. Huh? You have to pay the challan in case you were caught by the police. Huh? So expired has no value. Huh? Expired license has no value. Verstanden? Klar?
Yeah, klar.
Any other sentence you think of? It needs practice, na? You need to do practice, huh? Klar? You need to do practice. You understand this thing? Concept is clear or
Concept समझ में
or problem? Okay, good.